Hey folks, how you doing? Happy Friday to you. So I did paper trade today again, although I'm not going to go over those trades because it was just an absolute disaster. And I'll tell you why. So I think it's actually impossible to paper trade options on Interactive Brokers platform. Fills just don't work. You can't get filled. Like you try to get filled with an adaptive market order, but you simply can't fill the order. You can only fill it if you buy the ask or if you sell the bid. That's the only way. And in my opinion, that's not a profitable way to make money. If you always buy the ask, you're setting yourself up to lose over time because option contracts are always overpriced or underpriced. So it just makes no sense to do that. And in a real life situation, if you get in with a market order, you're in right away. And that's the reason why I've been having a lot of trouble paper trading these options. So I might shift to share trading, especially for paper trading, because it's just impossible. Because I took many scalp trades this morning that were in profit, and I was either not able to enter on time or not able to exit on time. And if I was trading live markets, I would have been able to enter and exit on time because there's always adequate liquidity for those types of trades. All right. So generally, if you press the buy button on the SPY, you will get filled pretty instantly, okay? If you press the buy button on a SPY option, you'll get filled pretty damn fast, okay? If you press the buy on any option contract, if you do not buy the ask, you're gonna have to wait till the market ticks against the contract and then you get filled at the worst price possible. So unfortunately, that's just how it works. And yeah, I've been having a lot of trouble. And you know what? It's tough to maintain confidence in your own trading strategy if you can't execute the trades the way they're supposed to be executed. And unfortunately, that's just the reality of the matter. So that's why I'm going to be probably focusing on paper trading with either shares or just on TradingView, like kind of just like this Shift B brings up this thing and then you can just buy the market, sell the market, because it emulates more of a realistic approach to actually entering and exiting trades. If your paper trading platform doesn't actually give you a fill, then you're not really emulating the fill, because in real life you will get filled, but in that account you won't. So that's why I've been having some problems with that. Yeah. And just with individual option contracts, even on the most liquid of options like the SPY, Apple, etc. I did try to fill one on Roku this morning, and I tried to fill a contract, I believe, after we got this bull candle. I filled it on this bear candle right here. I got overpriced, and when I put in the buy order, the mid of the spread would have been around 60 to 70 cents, and I left the buy order in. It was a buy adaptive market order, and I got filled over $1 on that contract. So it just goes to show you that it doesn't make sense to trade that way, because in reality you would have probably got filled pretty fast live market order, okay? And there was a lot of place to take profit in all of this, but I wasn't able to take profit simply because it just didn't let me. So guys, I've been having a lot of trouble with this, and I'm not going to mark down the trades I took today. I might go over them and view the entries and stuff, because at the end of the day, where you enter and where you exit is valid still. It's just that you didn't get the fill in the platform. So I'm going to go over them later in the day. For now, I'm just annoyed as to how this paper trading platform just absolutely sucks. So I don't recommend Interactive Brokers paper trading platform, especially for options. Especially for shares, I'm sure it works fine, but for options, it's not worth it. All right, guys. So I made a quick other video comparing tape speed on TradingView and Interactive Brokers, and I made some interesting realizations. So that's going to be in the next video. So for now, guys, I will leave it there for you today, and keep your risk managed. All the best to you. Take care. Hey guys, how are you? So we're going to do some live streaming tests here for live streaming data on the various exchanges. So I'm going to compare my IBKR tape data, which is live data coming from the exchanges, comparing it to TradingView live feed. And I am subscribed to one exchange on TradingView, and I'm thinking about whether I should get the other exchanges too. So I'm subscribed to the NASDAQ right now. So I'm not subscribed to the ARCA or the NYSE. So we're going to take a look at if this is worth it or not. Right now you can see I have AMD here. This is the tape on AMD, and I also have it on TradingView. I am subscribed to the NASDAQ. So they should be identical. Look at the ticks and see if they're identical. And they look like they're moving pretty much identical here. 47, 39, 37, 36. All the ticks are coming in. 35. There you go. 34. You see how fast it updates? 32. Really, really fast. It's to the tick identical. All right, now let's compare it to something else. Let's look at BA. So BA trades on the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm not subscribed to the New York Stock Exchange data. So let's take a look at this. So here, 163.13. Look at how it's updating slower. Look at that. 162.70. So you can tell there's a lag there in the data. There's a big lag. It's stuck at 86 on TradingView. Now we're at 163. Oh yeah. Oh, big lag. Look at that. That's just a lag. Okay, let's compare the SPY. I noticed the SPY wasn't so bad, but we'll take a look at it anyways. So here we go. 255.80, 255.76, 74, 68, 64, 67. You know what? The SPY is not bad. Take a look at SPY. We're at 63, 67. Okay, there was a little bit of a delay there. 72. It's fast actually. So guys, I'm not subscribed to the ARCA exchange data on TradingView or the NYSE, and you can see that it's updating almost tick for tick. So I would be curious to see how fast it would be if I was actually subscribed to the ARCA. I might grab it just for fun. But you can see here for SPY, okay, it's a little delayed. Look at that. Okay, 70. Yeah, it's a little delayed. Just at like about a second or so. And that second can cost you money. All right, one more. Let's look at XLF. Financial sector. So we're at 2111. TradingView is showing 2110. Let's take a look at how we move this. 2110. $21.09. See, I didn't see that tick come in on TradingView. That $21.09 didn't show up. There it is again. $21.09. It's still showing $21.10 on TradingView. $21.11. So you can see it's not updating every tick. It will update a tick, I think, if it moves more than 2 ticks. We'll see. Is it going to move more than 2 ticks? 21.09, there we go. And it still hasn't moved. It's still at 21.10. Okay, so the financial sector is not moving here. TradingView is still at 21.10, 21.08, 21.07, and TradingView is still at 21.10. So I think just for that reason, look at that. We're 5 ticks down now, and the financial sector has not moved. There we go. It finally updated. Maybe it was just lagging for some reason. 21.5. Okay, so I think if you're going to be watching the financial sector, probably you need to subscribe to ARCA because this SIBO is not fast enough. So again, let's just compare. Let's get a stock on the NASDAQ exchange. Just grab Apple, 251.36, and let's look at how this one compares. So I am subscribed to the NASDAQ on TradingView. There we go, 30. 28, 24, 20. Oh, that time it was a little laggy, eh? 22, 26, 20. Moral of the story, I might need the ARCA. So again, guys, we're just comparing data feeds here. Let's do one more on the NYSE. Let's look at Bank of America. Okay, Bank of America trades on the NYSE. So take a look at the tape here. 2161. It's at 2162, 2163, 62, 63. TradingView is not even updating with those ticks, you can see. It's just staying at the approximate price range, 2161, 2160, 59, 60, yeah. There you go. Now you see 59, 58, 57. So there's definitely a difference there in the speed. Absolutely. All right, guys, I think we watched it enough to make the decision that if you need to trade these markets, probably you should use the live data feed, the fastest data feed you have. I don't know why I'm so blurry. This is weird. All right, guys, have a great day.